I'm going to show you how to set a time limit for your apps on your iPhone. So if you want to cut down the amount of time that you can spend on apps on certain days or throughout the weeks, it's very easy to do. So let's go to our settings and we're going to go to screen time. And from here, you want to go down to where it says app limits under limit usage. So what we want to do is add limit, and we're going to go ahead and put our passcode in. And so what we want to do is choose under one of these categories. So I'm just going to go to social, and we can go ahead and pick an app that we want to put a time limit down for. So I'm just going to hit X, and we'll go ahead and hit next. What we want to do here is go ahead, you can select the time here, or you can go ahead and customize the actual days so it happens on the days that you choose and the time frames in that manner. So let's go ahead and hit the time, and we will do just 1 minute here. And then once you're fine and settled on your timing and your days, go ahead and hit the blue check mark at the top right hand corner. And now that app limit has been set. So if we go over to the X app, what you'll find here is the notification that you have spent your time on that daily limit. So it will block you from using that app. What you can do is ask for more time. So we can go ahead and ask for more time, ask for 1 more minute. And that's it. You'll be able to search your app, but you'll be able to set time limits for that app. And once that minute is gone, you'll get this notification that your time limit has been reached and you can no longer use the app. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to set time limits for your apps.